So this is the doctor's app. You can see your appointments. You could modify them. You could cancel, maybe. You could reject. You could say mark it as treated, and you can know. Well, you got a lot of things to do with the appointment. And the next, you could call. It's your appointment. Doctor could like call the patient to know what's up, and also let's see if the calling feature works and what do they have with the calling. So you see the doctor's name here and the patient name here. So like sample bookings I made. Sorry, this is the one with the video call. So when the doctor has an appointment which is confirmed, like you see it's requested, they could like edit, sorry, and then take it to like confirm, for example. You should say maybe remark like ready, for example, medical remark, you know. Then you update your appointment has been successfully updated. So now you see when it's updated, the doctor now has the opportunity to call the patient, because it's a booked rendezvous. You may want to call to let them know they should come with someone to see if they're medically fit to be there, some things like that, I don't know. But basically it links the doctor to the patient. You could call video, and also let's try to see. Okay, so now we're calling from the doctor's end, linking to the servers while using our. So okay, it's probably a good call though, but this is basically, the house is basically dark everywhere. So let's see what options have the doctor got here. To select the device sound, enable brand width mode. You could reduce high data consumption and all. You could share your screen, and you could record for your safety if the doctor feels like it's a risky patient or some stuff like that, you know. Maybe something you need to analyze later, like if the patient is like trying to say some stuff which you wouldn't probably grab hold of it at that time, and you need to like come to refer to that in the future. You may take a recording, you see, and it's stored in our clouds for free. So the doctor can always refer to that, and you can set the meeting password and share the meetings to people. You know, you could make a meeting password and you share it with people to let them join and stuff like that. Yeah, we also have live chat, you know. Sometimes the doctor may want to text, and the patient may text you, and you may want to reply to them and stuff like that. So basically it's like that. It keeps a timestamp too and stuff like that. So okay, let's just go again silently through the other functions. You can view a patient's subscriptions too. You can add a prescription to a patient which you've had a meeting to, you know. You can search the medicines, you can put the advice, the history, and basically give the prescription, and then you can give a pharmacy. You can, on the web app, you'll see there's a pharmacy login. Even on the medic, like this medic's not just for doctors, you know. You got a pharmacist login too, you got a nurse login. So basically anyone can log in as long as you've been verified as a medical personnel. So you got patient app, which is right here. I'll show you. This is for the patients, this is for the like every medical personnel. Like you got doctor, nurse, lab technician, you see. And they all have two different functions. But from the web interface, there are a lot more tools here. This is just like the express interface, like to permit you to get access to the most important features. Because like here there are some tools that you wouldn't get access to because this is an app, but on the web interface you will get access to. Like for example, the sign up. For example, on the patient app, you don't sign up here. On the doctor, you don't sign up here because you have to go through the KYC verification that's available on our web interface. So we always require users to verify their identity on the web interface, and then you can proceed with the normal consultation, booking a doctor, taking a rendezvous with the doctor, getting emergency health services if it's applicable in your case and stuff like that from the apps at ease, So that saves us from a lot of stress, like how, for example, the web app may crash, but the mobile app is always going to be in place. That's the difference, because this is a native app, and it just basically communicates with our web platform through APIs. APIs are basically called application programming interface. So our APIs here basically transfer data from our native interfaces, that's our native Android and IPA interfaces, that's iOS, and our web interface, which is at live.myvitalcam.com. So basically it means we have like 3 systems, each unique but same data. That's basically my vitalCam for you, and you learn more about it from the brochures and the videos, what you can do with that. It gives you a medical card, or you can put in your first aid details like your blood group and all. If you don't have one here, you can just simply take an appointment, like or blood donation. When you take an appointment for blood donation, you can get your details booked here. So in case you get in a medical emergency and stuff like that, it's going to be very easy for the doctor, the medics to be able to help you, because okay, they already have your blood group, and from here and the APIs provided, they can know your past cases, the current medications you are on, and then also you're basically providing Cameroon with a digital blood bank, So it makes it much more easier for us to access blood, like in emergency health situations. Like we got lots of mothers who put to birth, and some just pass out and die. We don't know what kills our people sometimes. Like basically, obvious cases, like we have accidents where people die, and it takes like almost 3 days to get the perfect blood. You just have people have to start searching left and right. Yeah, that's not gonna be our problem anymore, because we have a digital blood bank where, okay, if you need a specific blood bank, the specific medical institution through our APIs can just know where and when to get the specific blood, because we have users who donate blood through our platform to a specific hospital. So it's digitally recorded, so we have data for that, and hopefully will always provide those data. I don't think there's anything which is going to stop us, because that's our mission, like to basically increase our life expectancy in Africa, in Cameroon. And with such APIs, medical institutions could probably like get statistics data, like maybe proper cure, like for example, you could say a range of people from what age to what age, some from what specific case. You could put all that data, the data of how long it took them to get well and what medications they use, because as you can see here, for example, on the doctor's app, you see, for example, they have medications, like you can prescribe medications and stuff. For example, you can give them specific medications, but we don't have any now because the pharmacists haven't on the pharmacy sections. We have no pharmacist account yet, so the pharmacist just updates their database of what they have in drugs as medications and drugs. They type it in capital letters, whenever any case is being recorded, it's being put in capital letters, so we can have accurate data of like what kind of medications are used for what cases or what ages. So, proper structure, all what we need to develop better health treatment plans for the whole world, for everyone.